Japanese food is one of the healthiest, not to mention most delicious ways to eat. That's because the Japanese eat well-balanced meals with plenty of fresh fish, vegetables and mushrooms, of course. Now these Japanese pancakes, or okonomiyaki as they're known, are weekend market food, and they're delicious and a great way to increase your consumption of fresh, healthy ingredients. Now these pancakes are loaded with goodness. They use about 400 grams of mushrooms in total. I'm using a combination of Swiss browns, the shiitake mushroom, and these gorgeous enoki mushrooms, but feel free to use any variety you like. So slice all the mushrooms up nice and thin. And the easiest way to do that is trim that stalk off. Don't throw that away, you can use that. And then turn the mushroom over and just thinly slice. And into the bowl. So we add the shredded Chinese cabbage. It's nice and soft, so it works perfectly in this recipe. 200 grams of green prawns finely chopped. Now the green prawns in the freezer already peeled and deveined are perfect for this recipe. Give that a quick stir. And now sift 1.5 cups of flour over the top of the ingredients like this. And once again, a quick stir just to combine. Turn these into the pancakes. We're going to add all our wet ingredients. So we've got 2 eggs, milk, and about 1/2 cup of chilled water. Just break those eggs up. And then we pour this liquid over the ingredients. And once again, stir until it's really well combined. A little white pepper. The Japanese prefer white pepper to black pepper. And now we're ready to cook. A non-stick pan or a barbecue. These are great barbecued. You want about 1/4 cup of the mixture. It goes into the pan. Flatten it down like you would a pancake. Just cook 2 at a time in this pan, I think. Now here's an interesting fact. Mushrooms are neither a fruit nor a vegetable. And because they're not a plant food, they have unique nutritional health benefits. So simply just adding 3 mushrooms a day to our diet improves our health. Well, now these are done, it's time to plate up. Yum, don't they look delicious? We top these pancakes with the delicious creamy Japanese mayonnaise and top with a little hoisin or soya sauce, a few green onions, and there you have it, delicious pancakes in minutes.